Want to create a professional, eye-catching logo in minutes? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I designed this stunning nighttime story logo in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new page sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels. Next, using the rectangle tool, draw a shape for the background. Change its fill color to black and turn off the border color. Finally, align it perfectly to the center. Now, type in your text, then adjust its size and colors to your preference. Now, I'll copy the text 2 more times and replace the words as needed. Create outlines for all the text and then ungroup them. I'll select the letter I with the direct selection tool, then make it larger by holding Shift and pressing the up arrow key. I'll repeat the same process for some of the other letters. Everything is complete. Now, if you want, you can add a background image for a more cinematic look. After adding the background image, reduce its opacity to 15% and place it behind your logo. Now, save your logo as an AI file, EPS, or export it as a PNG. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time!